जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 7th chapter ज्ञान विज्ञान योगमु 25th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that Arjuna, unintelligent people, they do not recognize me as Paramatma. They do not realize that I do not have death and birth just like them. They do not realize that I am eternal and I am supreme. Why they do not recognize me? Because I am associated with human form, and my body, they think that it is similar to their body, and all the generic structures of my body is also similar to their body. And because of this similarity, they think that I am also just like them. They think that I am also born just like them. They think that I am also going to face the death just like them. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma explaining the reason behind why people are not recognizing Sri Krishna Paramatma as Sriman Narayana. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Naham prakasaha sarvasya yogamaya samavrutaha mudhoyam nabhijanati loko mamajam avyayam. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam. Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantam anupeta mapeta krutyam. द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्। In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandam, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Vidura heard everything from Maitreya. After hearing from Maitreya, now Vidura is asking Maitreya like this, Brahman, Katham Bhagavataha Leelaya cha api. Paramatma is an embodiment of personification of Jnanam. And Paramatma does not have these three gunas, Sattva, Rajas, Tamo gunam. Paramatma is full of Sattva gunam. Then, how did Paramatma also come across several pains and troubles? How is it possible? Also you said Paramatma does this entire Srishti and he plays with this Srishti, as and how children plays with ball. But, O Maitreya, children plays with ball to get some happiness, whereas Paramatma is always happy and always content. And children, they have a desire to play, whereas Paramatma avapta samasta kama, he doesn't have any desires, and there are no such desires which are not fulfilled to Paramatma. Then how is it possible that he is playing with this Srishti to get Anandam? And in children case, they are playing with ball. That means ball is different than child. Whereas here, Paramatma is everywhere. This entire Srishti is Paramatma. There is no a different thing than Paramatma. Then how is it possible that he is playing with this Srishti? Like this, O Maitreya, I have several questions. And also, you said Paramatma, he does this Srishti and he is the one who takes care of this entire universe and he is the one who withdraws this entire Srishti. And Paramatma is everywhere in all the bodies as an Antaryami to all the souls. That means Bhagavan Eka Evaisha Sarvakshetreshu Avasthitaha. He is an Antaryami to all the souls. Now, souls, jivas, are getting contaminated by being in the bodies and going through this cycle of birth and death. How come Paramatma is not getting contaminated, being as an Antaryami of that particular jiva? Why he is remaining very sacred and untouched and contaminated? Like this, I have several questions. Can you please clarify all my questions? Like that, Vidura asking Maitreya, and now Maitreya, while giving a nice smile to Vidura, about to answer all of his questions. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. कृष्णेनामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः। कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 7th chapter 25th श्लोक। नाहं प्रकाशः सर्वस्य योगमाया समावृतः मूढोऽयं नाभिजानाति लोको मामजम् अव्ययम्। नाहं प्रकाशः सर्वस्य योगमाया समावृतः मूढोऽयं नाभिजानाति लोको मामजमव्ययम्। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।